Come on now. Hands, lightning with my hands, lightning with my hands, lightning with my hands.
Hey!
Hey, young man. Whoa, 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 whoa! What are you, I'm in the middle of a show right now. How can I help you?
I just wanted to say thank you for showing up to lunch today. Yeah, I got a little something called a suitcase wedgie, right? I don't know if you've ever heard of it, but it's when someone grabs your underwear like that and holds you like a suitcase, walks you down the hallway. And this was my underwear.
Gross.
You said you'd come.
You said I would come. I never said I was. I'm a superhero, dude.
Well, you're acting real heroic. How much is people paying you today?
Listen, I have serious responsibilities now, okay? But that's cool, because I can carry that burden with my hand, lining with my hand. Holy moly.
Don't move! Nobody move!
Oh, no, no. No, 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 no. Stay, stay, stay. Stay, stay. Oh, that looked like it hurts.
It's him! It's the superhero guy!
Come on. Come on. Yeah.
What's he doing? What's going on?
Oh no. Oh no, no, please don't make me do this. This is the worst idea ever! Oh, I did it! I did it! I got the bus! I got the bus! Nobody move there! Oh, I gotta put this thing down. I gotta put this thing down.
No, doggy, you have to move. Move, shoot!
Please be a good dog. Good dog. You're being a bad dog. Go. Please go. Please move. Yes, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, no. I was in the neighborhood, you know, so I thought, it's kind of my fault anyway.
So it seems Philadelphia has gotten an early Christmas present in the form of its very own superhero.
And we're out.
Hey, thank you very much.
Oh, of course, yeah. Dude, did you see that?
Yeah, you electrocuted a bus and almost killed these people.
And then I caught it. Freddie, I caught a bus with my bare hands, man. I caught a bus like people catch fly balls. Like, who does that? I do that.
Billy, you do nothing. You take selfies and make people pay you. You don't forget it. I can't really talk to you when you look like this.
You just wish it was you.
No shit. You think I would kill to have what you have? Because everything I do is like some desperate attempt to get people to notice me, to not feel sorry for me. I mean, look at me. You even see me? Because most people don't. Because they don't want to. And now you don't either. I mean, you think this is who you are? I mean, Billy, you're 14, and now you're no better than the Briars. All this power, and all you did was turn into a show-off and a bully.
Whatever, kid. I do what I want.